India's first 3D printed house was built in 21 days by the startup Tavasta.
Tavasta is a Sanskrit word and it refers to process of creation.
Founded by IIT Madras alumni, Tavasta has developed a made-in-India tech that leverages 3D printing to make building homes faster, sustainable and more economical.
I'm Aditya.
I'm Parivartan.
I'm Vidya Shankar.
Tavasta focuses on reduced build time, zero-waste construction and optimized production. A standard 3D printer can produce a 2,000 square feet home in less than a week, which is 1/8 of the total time spent today in conventionally erecting the same. The technology also creates only 1/3 of the waste generated using conventional building methods. As for the cost, Tavasta says that constructing a 3D printed house costs approximately rupees 5 to 5.5 lakh, roughly 20% of the cost of a standard 2 BHK apartment.
Tavasta enables mass customization. Every construction project, whether it's a house or an infrastructure project or a commercial project, deserves to get done in time with minimum impact on the environment.
So can 3D printed homes fix the world's housing crisis? By 2030, 3 billion people will need improved housing. That means building 96,000 new homes every day. Tavasta's 3D homes can be built at a fraction of the conventional cost and time. If adopted at a large scale, they could put roofs over millions of heads.